Are you ready to unlock the power of computer vision? Discover the technology shaping our world today. With our course, Cutting-Edge Computer Vision, from fundamentals to future innovations, you'll gain essential skills for tomorrow's careers. This course caters to everyone, from undergraduate students to seasoned professionals. You will master foundational concepts and advanced techniques in just 6 hours. 3 key benefits await you. 1. Gain expertise in computer vision fundamentals and advanced problem-solving abilities. 2. Enhance your career opportunities in industries like AI, robotics, and healthcare technology. 3. Obtain a lifetime valid certificate upon completion, showcasing your skills to employers. What sets us apart from competitors? Our expert-led, self-paced learning environment ensures you receive continuous support. Ready to transform your career? Visit Transform Academy and enroll in our course today to earn your prestigious certificate. Don't just learn, build a career. Join us and become a part of the future in computer vision.